Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our fourth lesson. Okay, so till now we have finished our 3 chapters. We have finished our writing part also, written part or learning part also, and we have finished our reader part also. Kids, you have to do the reading. It is very must for you. Okay, you have to do the reading. Take the help of your elders at your home. आपके जो भी elders है, fathers, sisters, brothers, whoever are there, take the help of them, sit along with them and do the reading. Okay, don't just waste your time in playing. Fine, kids? Okay, so today we are going to start our 4th chapter. That is one is the clever minister. Okay, it's a story of a clever minister. So get ready with your books at page number 25. So shall we start? Okay. So many years ago there was a king. His palace was on the bank of a broad river. One day the king was walking along with the bank of river. One of his ministers was with him. So many years ago there was a king. Okay, his place was on the bank of a broad river. एक king था पहले बहुत पुराने time पे. What happened is he lived near a bank of a broad river. उनका किंगडम कहाँ था? एक रिवर के बैंक पे था, रिवर के साइड पे, बैंक पे. ओके, वन डे द किंग वॉज वॉकिंग अलॉन्ग द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर. तो किंग क्या कर रहे थे? वन डे ही वॉज वॉकिंग अलॉन्ग द रिवर, रिवर के साथ साथ ही वॉज वॉकिंग ऑन द बैंक ऑफ द रिवर, कॉर्नर फ्रॉम द रिवर. वन ऑफ हिज मिनिस्टर्स वॉज विद हिम. सो वाइल ही वॉज वॉकिंग, उनको कौन अकम्पनी कर रहे थे? उनके मिनिस्टर उनके साथ जा रहे थे. Where does all this water flow to? The king asked. So जब वो दोनों टहल रहे थे रिवर के पास, तालाब के पास, नदी के पास, मिनिस्टर एंड उनके किंग जब टहल रहे थे, तो द किंग आस्क्ड के where does all this water flow to? ये सारा पानी किस तरफ जाता है? The flowing water कहाँ जाता है? It flows to a nearby country. It is in the east, said the minister. तो उनके मिनिस्टर यानी कि मंत्री, he answered के हमारे पड़ोस में ईस्ट साइड जो कंट्री है, ये सारा पानी वो कंट्री में जाता है. दिस रिवर गोज टू द कंट्री. डू द पीपल ऑफ दैट कंट्री गेट ऑल दिस वाटर देन? आस्क्ड द किंग. सो किंग आस्क्ड के डू द पीपल ऑफ दैट कंट्री गेट ऑल दिस वाटर? किंग क्या पूछे उनसे, मिनिस्टर से, क्या जो हमारी बाजू की कंट्री है ये सारा पानी वही कंट्री के लोग ले लेते हैं? सो द मिनिस्टर रिप्लाइड, यस सर, yes sir, ये जो पानी है सारा it flows to that country and the people take all the water there. तो जब पानी flow होता है तो wherever it goes all the people will use it now. So the minister also answered के yes sir, the people of the other country, जो दूसरी country के people है, they use that water. I will stop that, said the king. He then ordered, build a dam across the river and keep all the water here. So hearing the answer from the minister, the king said, I will stop that. He ordered, build a dam across the river and keep all the water here. क्या order करे king? He said के मैं ये पानी सारा यहीं पे रोक दूंगा, एक डैम बना दो यहाँ पे and keep all the water with us only. क्या order करे king? पानी हमें बाजू की कंट्री में नहीं देना है. We should not let the water flow into the nearby country. Stop the water here itself by building a dam on the river. क्या बोले king? He said कि यहाँ river पे एक डैम बना दो and stop the water here itself. उसको बाजू कंट्री में फ्लो होने से रोक दो. The king is foolish. That this is not the right place for a dam, thought the minister. But he was afraid of the king, so he said, yes sir, I will build a dam and keep all the water here. So hearing the words, the minister thought के the king is foolish, isn't it? The king is indeed foolish, है ना? King बिल्कुल भी foolish है. Foolish means बेवकूफ़. Why? क्या हम पानी, बहते पानी को रोक सकेंगे? क्या रनिंग वाटर को हम डैम बना के रोकेंगे? No, we cannot stop a flowing water. We cannot stop a river water. River is meant for flowing. River होती किस लिए? पानी flow के लिए होती है. Can we stop that? No. So the minister thought के king is foolish. राजा जो है वो foolish है. This is not the right place for a dam, thought the minister. But he was afraid of the isn't it? The minister was afraid of the king and said, "Okay, yes sir, I will build a dam and keep all the water here." What did the minister answer? Minister बोले कि okay sir, I will build the dam and पानी पूरा हम लोग ही रख लेंगे, we will not give it to the other country. The minister then built a dam across the river. The water rose in it and there was a big lake. So what happened? जब बैंड बना दिए, डैम बना दिए रिवर के ऊपर, what will happen? The water will stop in before the dam only, isn't it? जब आप कोई एक बैंड लगा दो रिवर के ऊपर, the water will stop there itself, isn't it? The barricade आ जाता है तो water रुक जाता है वहीं पे. It will not go out of that dam. So what will happen? It will form in a pool, है ना? जब water एक place पे रुक जाता है तो it will, the level will rise up and it will form a pool. pool की तरह full हो जाता है पानी. Same thing happened. The water rose in it and there was a big lake. क्या हो गया? उनके kingdom में एक बड़ी सी lake की तरह पानी पूरा full storage बन गया. The water soon entered the town. In great fear, the people ran to the minister. What happened? जब पानी एक place पे full होता है तो it will get flow, isn't it? तो ये आगे flow दूसरी country में जाने से flow when they stopped it, it flew backwards, है ना? कहाँ आ गया पानी का flow? Backwards हो गया. तो it came into the town जहाँ पे people रहते थे, जहाँ पे लोग रहते थे, वहाँ पे reverse आना start हो गया पानी. So all the people ran to the minister. सब लोग क्या करें? Minister के पास आए and they asked, our town is in danger, save us. What they asked to the minister? They told the minister के our town is in danger, please save us. The minister said, what can I do? We have a foolish king. He wanted the dam and I built it. What did the minister said? He said, "Okay, I can't do anything. We are having a foolish king. He wanted to build a dam. King का order है dam बनाने के लिए, so I build the dam. He is very foolish. I can't do anything. I just have to follow his orders and I build the dam." Then he thought for a while and found a way to get out of the trouble. So he sent back the people saying कि हमारे king जो है foolish है, वो क्या करे? एक flowing water, एक running river को stop करे. तो stop करने से क्या होता? पानी पूरा reverse हो गया उनके ही town में. So all the people were getting very worried कि सारा पानी घरों में आने लगा. They were drowning. So they came to the minister and asked for help. So minister, he did not help, but he thought of a plan to get out of the trouble. So what did he do? There was a bell in the king's palace. A man rang it every hour. He told the time. The minister called the man and ordered him, from 6 o'clock tonight, ring the hour bell every 30 minutes and not every hour. At midnight, ring the hour bell for 6 in the morning. Okay. So what was his plan? What he did? वहाँ पे क्या था? There was a bell in king's palace. Okay. राजा के palace में क्या थी? एक bell थी. Mostly पहले क्या थे? Clocks नहीं थे, isn't it? In olden days there were no clocks. People used to see the time by looking at the sun, isn't it? सूरज देख के पहले time पे लोग time बताते थे. Okay. Olden days में लोग क्या करते थे? Stars, moons and sun का shade देख के they used to tell the time. So there was a बेल इन द किंग्स पैलेस. किंग के पैलेस में एक बेल थी जो एवरी आवर पे, हर घंटे पे इट यूज टू रिंग, लेटिंग पीपल नो दैट इट इज़ 1 hour पास्ट, 1 hour हो गया बोल के. देयर वॉज अ बेल दैट यूज टू रिंग. सो व्हाट डिड द मिनिस्टर डू? ही कॉल्ड द मैन एंड ऑर्डर्ड हिम, फ्रॉम 6 o'clock tonight ring the hour bell every 30 minutes and not every hour. क्या बोले वो रिंगिंग मैन को बुला के? द मैन हु यूज्ड टू रिंग द बेल, he called him and said के from 6 o'clock tonight, आज night 6 o'clock से ring the bell every half an hour. हर half an hour के बाद you have to ring the bell. Don't ring the bell for every hour. पहले क्या रहता था? हर घंटे पे एक बेल होती थी. But now ring the bell every 30 minutes. हर आधे घंटे पे you have to ring the bell. So by midnight ring the bell for 6 in the morning. So 12 o'clock जब night में होते हैं तो you have to ring the bell 6 times as if 6 o'clock हो रहे in the morning में. Got it? Did you all understand? तब 1 hour 6 o'clock से 12 o'clock midnight तक 1 hour bell ring करोगे तो आपको you will get what time you will get? 12 o'clock होते हैं, 12 rings होते हैं. But he said के एवरी हाफ एन आवर में रिंग करते हो तो आप 12 o'clock पे क्या टाइम आएगा, 6 o'clock का टाइम आ जाएगा, दैट इज मॉर्निंग लगेगी सबको. The man obeyed the minister's order and rang the bell every 30 minutes. He obeyed the minister's order, the ringing man, and rang the bell every 30 minutes. At midnight he rang the 6 o'clock bell. Midnight के टाइम पे क्या करे, 6 o'clock की बेल कर दिए, that is 6 bells दिए. The king woke up and looked out. It was still very dark. So जब 6 o'clock की ring bell हुई, the king woke up and looked out of his window. So still there was dark. There was still stars and moons in the sky. It was night. It is 6 o'clock now, he said, but I can't see the sun yet. Let me ask my minister about this. He then sent for the minister. So as soon as the king woke up for the bell ringing 6 o'clock, he thought के morning हो गई. But as soon as he looked out of the window, he still saw the stars and the moons in the sky. So what he said to himself के, it's 6 o'clock now, but I can't see the sun yet. It's 6 o'clock, 6 bell ring हो गए, तो he thought के it's 6 o'clock, but I cannot see the sun in the sky. There are still moons and stars. So what is this all about? I should ask my minister. So he called the minister and said, what has happened to the sun? He asked the minister. It is past 6 o'clock, but the sun hasn't risen yet. I can still see the moon and the stars in the sky. So what he called the minister and asked him, ke, it is 6 o'clock in the morning, but I cannot see the sun. Morning ka time 6 o'clock ho raha, but there is no sun in the sky. I can see still the stars and moon. So what happened to the sun? The minister is answering, sir, said the minister, we built a dam across the river and stopped all the water in our country. In the east, the people have no water now and they can't live without it. They are very angry. They have now stopped the sun and we would not see the sun again. So look the trick here. What did the minister play the trick? तो जब मिनिस्टर को राजा बुला के पूछे कि देयर इज 6 o'clock in the morning and no sun yet, the minister answered के, sir, we built a dam across the river and stopped the water flowing into the other country. हमने क्या किया, रिवर के मिडल में डैम बना के उसका पानी स्टॉप कर लिए, isn't it? So we stopped the water flowing to the other country. दूसरी कंट्री में पानी जाने से हम लोग स्टॉप कर दिए. So as there is no water, the people have no water and now they cannot live without it. जो दूसरी कंट्री के लोग हैं, they are not getting the water and without water nobody can live. So what they did, they got very angry and have stopped the sun and we could not see the sun again. So what is the trick here the minister played? He said, okay, as we have stopped the water flowing into the other country, they have stopped the sun to come up in the sky. Got it, kids? मंत्री क्या करे, the minister राजा को बोले कि हम जैसा पानी रोक लिए हैं सर, वैसे वो लोग क्या करे, they have stopped the sun all. But our people can't live without the sun, the king said. Thought for a while, then he ordered, go and break the dam at once. The king started thinking deeply. He said, "Ke, but our people can't live without sun, isn't it?" He thought and said, "Ke, go and break the dam." उन्होंने order दिए कि okay, we cannot also live without the sun. Go and break the dam. वो जो dam बनाए थे हम river पे, go and break that dam and let the water flow into the dam. The minister obeyed the king's order. He sent his men to break the dam. The water now started flowing into the east again. All the water from the town flowed back into the river and the town was safe. So again the minister has to obey the king's orders. So he sent his men to break the dam. The water now started flowing to the east. तो क्या हुआ, जैसा डैम ब्रेक हो गया, the water started again flowing. पानी फिर से flow होना start हो गया. And all the water which was formed in the town, वो सारा it used to get reduced. All the water from the town flowed back into the river and the town was safe. वो town बिल्कुल safe हो गया. It was 6 o'clock. The sun now rose in the east. The king was happy to see it. Ah, we have got the sun again, he said. Let those people have the water. So, can you guess what happened here? Here. So, from midnight till 6 in the morning, the dam was been broken, है ना? 12 o'clock को the king thought के it is 6 o'clock. So when the minister said him के The water, as we stop the water, the other country people stopped our sun to come up in the sky. So by the time the dam was being broken, जब तक dam broke होता था, till that time it was 6 in the morning. So the sun came up again in the sky. So by seeing the sun, the king was happy to see it and said, ah, we have got the sun again. So let those people have the water. So this foolish king, ये foolish king क्या सोच रहे थे कि as I have stopped the water, the other people have stopped the sun, isn't it? So kids, it's a universal thing, है ना? Water, sun, stars and moons, it's a universal effect. Can we stop it with our own hands? Can we stop? क्या हम सूरज निकलना बंद? Can we stop it? या फिर moon and stars, can we stop it for coming up in the sky? क्या हम इन sky में आने से रोक सकते हैं? No. Can we stop the water flowing? No. It's a foolish thing. Like this king, he is a foolish one, the minister is a wiser one. What he did, he teach the king a lesson, isn't it? He taught the king a lesson that these universal things we cannot stop, isn't it? ये natural things है, ये natural things ऐसे होते हैं, we cannot stop the flow of water, we cannot stop the sun to come up in the sky, isn't it? Right, kids? So I hope you understand this story, hope you understand the concept of the moral of the story. So as for your homework, do the reading and write the meanings in your classwork. So we'll meet in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe and be happy.